Hey everyone, today we're looking at the Crown Shades Canopy, one of the top selling canopies on Amazon. I have personally owned Crown Shades canopies for over a year now, and inside this video we're going to go ahead and unbox this canopy, set it up step by step, and I will let you know why it is worth it at the end of the video. After unboxing this canopy, I was greeted with the canopy itself as well as a few extra accessories. Inside the box we have 4 optional sandbags as well as guy lines and stakes if you want to stake down the canopy. We also get this cover for the canopy that's really easy to get on and off just by using some buckles here, and it's also going to attach to some of the legs on the bottom. The other nice addition to this canopy is that it has wheels on 2 of the legs, making it easy to move around. But if you don't want to use the wheels, we have 2 handles, one on the top, one on the bottom, and we also have this Velcro pocket here that you can store all of the accessories. Now, I was sent this canopy to test and review inside this video, but you're only going to get my honest opinion after I demonstrate all of the features and the setup. After removing the cover, I could start the setup process by separating the canopy from the stand. I then stretched out the base of the canopy in all 4 directions. After that, it was time to drape over the canopy cover and attach it at all 4 corners using the Velcro straps included. Once I made sure the canopy was secured to the top of the base, I then had to go underneath the canopy and locate the locking mechanism at the top. All I had to do from there was just press it up until it locked in the top position. From that point, I made sure that the canopy cover was secured on all 4 corners using the securing mechanism. It's just a little red notch that slips into a red tab on all 4 sides. There's also Velcro straps at the top that you can attach to the bars of the canopy. From there, all I had to do was go to the 4 different legs and extend them until they reach the top position. There are a couple of different positions that you can choose from, and the top one will give you a 6-foot 2-inch entrance. Fully set up, the canopy looks like this. We have a 10 by 10 foot space. The entrance can go up to a 6'2" clearance, and on the inside you're going to have over 10 feet of height. This is what it looks like on the inside. You'll notice that we have plenty of height, and if I was to reach all the way up, I'm still a good 2 feet away from hitting the top. Around the canopy we have multiple of these locks, so it's going to lock it into the bars around the side. There's going to be 2 of them on each side of the canopy. And then on the top we have 4 of these different Velcro attachment points, making it extremely sturdy. And you'll also notice at the top we have our button release as well as some ventilation. When stepping inside of the canopy, it actually feels really spacious. You could fit easily 6 to 8 people in here around a picnic bench, and everybody would be under the shade cover. Our stake down methods include sand or rock bags or stakes and guy lines. However, you'll notice that it is a very windy day today and the canopy is holding up just fine. But I'll still go ahead and demonstrate how to use the sandbags by filling them up with rocks. These bags are held together by Velcro at the top, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill these up with some of the rocks that we have here, and I'll show how to hook it to the legs of the canopy. You'll notice that we have 3 separate Velcro tabs, and all you're going to do is just attach them to the base of the canopy. Do that for all 4 of the legs and you're good to go. Teardown of the canopy was even more simple than the setup. You just go backwards through the order. So the first thing that I did was went around all 4 legs of the canopy and shrunk them down to their closed position. I then located the release button at the top of the canopy and released it. From there, all I had to do was press the canopy together on all 4 sides and install the cover, which was really simple using the zipper and the buckle. Overall, if you're looking for a portable canopy that's easy to move around, simple to set up, and provides ample amounts of shade, then I would recommend checking out this canopy by Crown Shades. There's a couple of reasons why it's a top-selling canopy on Amazon, and those include the easy setup process, the stability, and the shade that it provides. And even though it's a little heavy, it's still ultra portable and simple to throw in the back of your car and take it to set up at any park. It also makes a great camping shade if you don't have an awning built into your camping trailer. You can definitely count on this canopy for being sturdy and holding up in various degrees of wind. I personally find that the Crown Shades Canopy is a solid canopy overall, and it's simply worth getting. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helps. If you're into more content like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in both the home and outdoor niche. So if you're into that kind of stuff, stay tuned for when I release my next video.